Hey YouTube, what's up? Dr. Destructor here, and today I'm going to be doing a general overview of the Epic Kingdoms server. So let's get started. Alrighty then, so when you first log onto the server, you spawn in this little box room, and you'll see a rules board with the rules, which are as followed: no swearing, no TP cheats, no advertising, no spamming, respect all staff, no hacks, no sexual comments, and finally to have fun. It is important to know that at Epic Kingdoms, we have a zero tolerance for hackers and griefers. If you are caught, you will likely face a temp ban or a permanent ban. You will also notice a sign that says to leave /spawn. So if we type /spawn, you'll come to this dome area with our 4 portals, which lead to the 4 different worlds at Epic Kingdoms: Creative, Factions, PvP, and Skyblock. So the first world we're going to see is Creative. The only rule in Creative is that spawning a lot of mobs is prohibited. So if we come on over to the portal that leads to Creative, it currently is not working, so instead you do warp Creative to get to it. Alright, so when you come here, you'll see signs that say welcome to Creative, and a sign that says go right or left for help. So if we go to the right, it says how to add friends. If we go over to the other side, it says how to create a plot. If you can't find a plot to claim, you can also do /plot me auto, but because I've claimed 3 plots already, I cannot claim any more. So I will have to unclaim some plots if I want to get another one. If you need more help, you can do /plot me help, and it'll give you 4 pages of other useful information. But if this still doesn't answer your question, you can ask anyone on the server. So when we go back to spawn, we're going to head over to our faction world. In our faction world, it is important to know that raiding, griefing, and destroying of other people's stuff is not allowed. So when we head through the portal, you really don't spawn anywhere. You spawn in the middle of nowhere. Because if you're in faction world, it's likely because you are part of a faction, so you would do /f home to get to your faction. So we arrive at my faction, which happens to be the Knights, but will be whatever faction your faction is if you are in a faction. So if you do /f help, it gives you all 10 pages of how to join factions and such, and other stuff that'll help you. So when we go to spawn, we're now going to head to our PvP world. So in PvP, there really is no rules other than the normal: no swearing, no TP cheats and such. Get here, spawn in this room, see rules, come over here. Here's the rules board. As I said, raiding is allowed, griefing is allowed, and all PvP is allowed. So that's basically it for the PvP world. So if we head back to spawn, we're going to go to our final world, which would be Skyblock. In Skyblock, there really is no rules other than no flying if you have it, or no using game mode if you're able to use it. partially because you really can't do anything other than be on your own plot. So when you get here, it says how to create an island, how to invite someone, and to accept or reject them if you don't like them. So here is a unlimited cobble generator for your use, and bridging is allowed. And here is an unlimited water generator. And if you need help, you can do /is-help. And it gives you everything you need to know for the Skyblock world. So that's basically it for the general overview of the Epic Kingdoms server. I have a link to the website in the description and the IP address of our server. We hope to see you on the server. Don't forget to like and subscribe.